7 players with 50s in this competition, 7 different bowlers who took wickets, with an iconic number 7 sitting back at home who started it all in 2007. India win by 7 to become world champions. Raidu, that frame, Rahul Dravid, the emotion after years of being resolute, of being the wall, that frame right there, that celebration tells you what it means. If Rahul Dravid can celebrate like that.
I mean, it tells you what it means to every Indian out there, especially Rahul Dravid. He has known the pain of being in a World Cup and not doing well as a captain. And now as a coach, he has turned it all around. And the group that he had was amazing. And Rohit Sharma and all the players, I mean, these are the champions we all know, waiting to celebrate for a very, very long time in Indian cricket. And today is the day, today is an opportunity. And we have found new heroes to celebrate after all. And Indian cricket is going on a great state, and the great times ahead for Indian cricket. And you see Rahul Bhai getting so emotional, and you see the secretary of the BCCI, you see that match winner there, Bumrah, who has done it for India yet again in this crucial encounter.
Dave staying also with us here on 10 Cricket Live, co-powered by Amul and Eurogrid Tyres. That's a frame, and you understand as well, Dale. I'll come to you in a bit, but you understand what it means, those years of heartache, those years of yearning, that final hurdle that held India back despite great players for so many years. Those demons have been vanquished. Tomorrow you will wake up knowing that India are the world champions, knowing that these players that you have supported through thick and thin and should continue to support have delivered on your dreams, your hopes, your ambitions, and more importantly, they define their legacy. A date with destiny has been set, and they have taken control of their own destinies. India are the T20 world champions, an extraordinary campaign where they have remained absolutely unbeaten. And you look at the different performances that have stepped up to the plate at each and every moment. We will break it down for you, but for the moment, India are world champions after waiting years and years with the greatest of players stopping at the final hurdle. Not today. Today, we celebrate the blue.